how to insert an image in HTML. First, all we have to do to start code, that is HTML, enter, head, enter, title, insert image, enter. Now we have to end head and title. Let's end title first, then head. Now we have to start the body, body. Okay. Now the code to insert an image in HTML is img space src is equals to double inverted comma. Okay, then go to your picture, whichever picture you want. Suppose I want this picture, I will go to this picture's properties, copy the path. Here you can see the location of the picture, copy the location. Again go to notepad, in between the double inverted comma you have to paste the location of the picture. Then again go to that picture's properties, and now you can see here the name of the picture. Copy the name, then give that and paste it. Dot. Then copy the type of the picture. Here you can see the type of that picture. Dot png. Okay. Copy it. And after that dot, you have to insert a dot type of that file. Dot png. Okay. And press enter. Now we can end body and HTML. Body HTML. Okay. Now save that file. Suppose I save it at the desktop. abc.html. Okay. Save. Now here you can see it is available in here. So let's open it. See, the image is inserted successfully. Thank you.